Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Driver Passes Out, Police Discover Much More.
Police respond to a suspicious vehicle report and discover a driver slumped over and unresponsive in a car.
Yeah, I got one on my, if you want to grab that one too. Break the window. Hey, you alright? You alright? Want to put the car in park real quickly? Yeah, you want to take the keys out? Just hand them to me, I appreciate it.
Sorry, I don't even know how.
Let me see those keys real quickly, alright? Watch the glass, watch the glass. Ma'am, are you okay? You having a medical episode or anything like that?
No, I really haven't. My phone, just got shut off when I was in the conversation between my daughter and her.
Here, let's have you step out of the car real quickly, alright? Why don't you take a seat right over here on the grass, just so we have you out of the roadway.
Okay, she got her scrubs on.
You want to just sit right there real quickly?
Nursing field.
So what's the last thing you remember? Where are you coming from?
I had to do an overnight shift for work, so on Spyglass. I don't know if you know.
So you're coming from work, and Spyglass is where?
Like on the same road as Murrow.
Do you know these people at all? I'm gonna talk to these guys. They don't seem like they know each other at all. What's up, guys? How we doing? So you guys don't know her personally, right?
Well, she was just in Circle K. She was getting slushies. She seemed fine.
Who found the vehicle?
I did.
I came out on my scooter and I went around here and I saw that car sitting right there. And I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. So I got in, you know. And we went over to the car and she's just sitting in there.
Dude, I was like shaking. A little weird, a little out of it, a little sleepy.
Okay.
It's the best
Nothing out of the ordinary besides maybe being sleepy?
Just she looked like maybe she's had a long, hard day.
Where was her car parked? Like, was that Circle K? Or?
Yeah, she was parked like right up front, came in, got drinks.
Okay, all right. So fire rescue's here, they're just gonna check you out, okay? Because, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you, I broke your window because I saw you're unconscious behind the wheel. So I didn't know if you're having a seizure, a heart attack, but it's good that you're up and awake. These people are gonna check you out, just make sure you're okay, all right? Do you have a history of anything? I know I already asked you once, but seizures, diabetes, anything like that?
No.
So we believe that there is a chance that you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol, okay? So do you consent to doing field sobriety?
What if I don't?
I'm sorry?
What if I just said that? What happens?
So if you said no, we're pending our investigation, we're going to determine if you'll be placed under arrest for driving under the influence, drugs or alcohol. But with the field sobriety, that's why we ask, is because we determine.
Yeah, bring it. I guess.
Is that you saying yes to consenting to do field sobriety?
Yes. Yeah. What else am I supposed to do?
Okay.
All right.
Never done this before in my life, so.
Okay.
We'll keep it real easy. All right. So please keep your head still and follow this object.
It's gonna be your pen.
So no moving your head, just your eyes. Okay.
I'm sorry, I've never done this. I'm
It's okay.
trying my best. You hit my head, right?
All right. This next one is called the walk and turn. When I say go, you're going to take 9 steps. You're going to count them out loud. Okay.
I'm just really nervous. I'm sorry.
It's understand. Okay, I got you.
It's pressure. I'm sorry.
You're good.
Stand by your side. Count them out loud. And go ahead.
I'm shaking. I'm sorry. 4. God, I can't pass this one.
You're going to do the same thing back.
Oh, she failed. She failed. Dang. She got the scrubs on. We don't know, Nursing field, man. We get a lot of these, like, nursing field people, I guess. People get agitated when I title the videos nurse this, whatever. She could be a CNA, she could be whatever, right? But nurse, you know what I'm saying? That's what. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta understand, you know what I'm saying? It's YouTube, baby. You gotta know how to title something. Now you gotta get you to click, nah. You know what I'm saying? We can't clickbait, but gotta get you to click now. What's gonna get you to click more? Nurse, this, that, the third, or what? CNA, LPN, whatever, something like. Come on, man. And you got to look at the original channels. And I'm a reaction channel now. So I look at the original channel's title and then I remix it. You know what I'm saying? You got to know how this thing go now. But anyway, yeah, man, she's bombed. You know, I get it. You know, people that are in those fields, you know, they get overworked and things like that. But honestly, I don't even know how a car ends up in that position that it was. It looks like the car looks like, you know how like a regular parking spot on the street, you know, you would back in like this, right? Or you got some parking spots where you back in, right? You back into the spot like this. It looked like she came out and backed in and just facing the road like this. Hold on, let me show you. Like, you know, these parking spots right here, you know, you would either, you know, you would back in, you know, so that way the, you know, your car is facing, you know, so that way you could just drive out instead of having to back up and stuff like that. But the way that her car was faced right here, it looked like she just backed into this spot. Look at this. Crazy. All right, let's get back into the video though.
You're gonna do the same thing back. Hands by your side. Ready to begin? Just count them out as you go. Ready? Go ahead.
5, 6, 7.
You going to jail. Oh boy,
All right,
go.
this next one is the one leg stand. All right, hands by your side. Whichever foot you want to raise, go ahead and raise it up 6 inches and you can begin. Either one, doesn't matter. Go ahead and count.
1, 2.
1002. All right, go ahead.
1, 2. I can't keep my shot like.
Okay.
Is it the end of the month or something?
I'm sorry?
Is it close to the end of the month?
No, it's August 17th.
What are you doing? Are you waiting for something? Yeah, I don't know what that was. Like, don't.
Yeah, please don't reach.
What is it?
Hey, don't, hey,
Whoa,
stop reaching, stop
whoa.
reaching, all right? Just do me a favor and
I
stop.
don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Stop
No.
reaching. Listen to me.
It's on your pocket. Right here. What is that? I don't know.
Okay, don't reach for it.
Open your pocket like that. It's not gonna pull it out. No glass. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, just don't cut yourself, please. I didn't know if you had like something on you. It's the broke glass from when I hit your window.
So all this is because what happened? Oh, because of what I did?
So, you know, I'll be completely honest here, right? So we got a call from concerned bystanders, right?
Bystanders.
Yep, some people saw you unconscious behind the wheel of the vehicle. So I got on scene along with this deputy sheriff. We walked up to your car.
Am I like?
And you were. I banged on the hood a little bit. You didn't move or anything like that. The people that called 911 to.
Come on, man. What is she? She can't even focus. Will you tell her to stop reaching and focus? The glass ain't going nowhere, man. God damn. That shit is crazy.
People saw you passed out.
Fine. I don't know. Maybe I'm just having a bad day.
And with the way your car is parked on the roadway and the sidewalk like this, I was concerned you're having a medical issue, so I broke your glass. Because sometimes we see people with diabetes or something, you know.
It upsets me when I'm 33. I've never been in any trouble, and I'm getting caught, like, making me feel like I'm a terrible criminal.
Anyway, it's just part of the investigation, right? We're just trying to figure out if everything's okay. You know, it is concerning, you know, seeing someone like this.
I get it. I lived here my whole life.
Just stay here for a moment, please. Officer Faye, whenever she's done talking to her supervisor, she'll come talk to you. We'll figure this out.
Don't start that crying.
Like this, you know, we have to come flying lights and sirens because if you let the pedal off or the brake, someone's gonna ram into you and die, or someone's gonna kill you or themselves by accident. So, you know, it's why we respond the way we do.
I don't know if I should be checked out by medical or not.
You already checked out by medical.
All right, Miss Lloyd.
Stand up.
This point, you just stand up for me, okay? And place your hands behind your back.
So now what do I do? What's that? What do I do now?
So you're being placed under arrest for DUI. And
What did I fail?
so there's no
Because
pass or
I was in
fail.
the car.
There's no pass or fail, but based on the observations that Officer Fay made and the DUI investigation, and coupled along with the fact that you're passed out behind the wheel of a vehicle on the roadway, there is a suspicion that you are under the influence of either drugs or alcohol. So,
But what? Can I have a sobriety test? Can I have a breathalyzer?
so there's something Officer Fay has to read to you real quickly.
Okay. Have my record clean my whole life.
That's good. That's a good thing.
Yeah, but now I'm screwed. I miss work. I'm not gonna get fired. I'm not freaking fucked up.
What's been so stressful?
This life.
Just life
My
in
daughter
general.
lives in Oregon. My other son has autism.
Go ahead.
We found pills on a prescription bottle that is not prescribed to her. So I'll send you that. What was it, Seroquel? I'll just send you
Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna go this way, okay?
Yeah,
Take
but
you
I
in my
need my
vehicle.
stuff.
She popping
Right now we're
pills.
gonna go this way. Okay.
At least hit my vape, please.
No, we're not gonna be able to use that, so
Yeah. I didn't get my breathalyzer.
yeah, we're going in to go get it, okay? We don't have it out, like it's not out in the road or anything.
I'm
That's fine. It's not a big deal.
insane.
All right, you got it? Can you need help? Okay. All right, just hang tight.
She was found guilty of the charge for reckless driving, involve alcohol or caught substance. The remaining charges, including possession of drug paraphernalia, possess new drugs, and failure to appear, were all officially disposed by prosecutor.
Yeah, but correct me if I'm wrong, but a breathalyzer only does alcohol, right? So if you popping pills, it ain't gonna show that. You know what I'm saying? So, and they found pills in her stuff, so she could be drowsy, whatever. She popping pills. That's what I'm under the impression. I don't know. Maybe you guys know. Maybe you know more than I do. But I was under the impression that a breathalyzer is for blood alcohol, content. You know what I'm saying? So popping pills ain't gonna show that. But anyway. I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I like how they, rush right in, break the glass. Cause yeah, you can't play games with her, man. You got to get her out of that road, like that. So good job, man. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Damn, that was a mouthful, wasn't it?